to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the most talked about tools for some couple of weeks right now. So we are ending the year 2022 and going to 2023. So we need to understand what is happening, most especially around these two I'm going to talk about. So it's basically an AI tool. I don't know if you've heard about it before, but the name is GPT. I'm going to be showing you this video how to utilize this tool. You can actually use it in a lot of ways, but the most important thing is I will just be showing you a simple way by which you can utilize it, and I want you to take that further in your research. So this is a Microsoft Word document. So whatever I'm doing right now, so basically what I want to do, I'll be telling this tool more or less like I want to write a book on video editing. So this is how to go about it. So let me go right away to the tool. So this is the tool ChatGPT. So you can go through this URL beta.openai.com/playground. So you are here, you can decide to register for free in there. So basically what we'll do now is, okay, let's assume I want to write a book about video editing. These two can actually help you to write a lot of things about so many things you'll be asking to do for you. You can even, start writing and the two complete whatever you are doing. So there's a whole lot of possibilities, but let's get started. So let me just say, write a table of content for a book on video editing. Now, when you type this, the first thing you are going to do, you can submit or you click Control Enter. Control Enter or you click on Submit at the right hand corner here. So Control Enter. So we wait for the tool to perform its task. Okay, so we have table of content for a book on video editing. Wow. So we have introduction to video editing, chapter 1, basic concept of video editing. So basically what you can do is to copy this. So when you copy this, you have a full table of content. So if you go to your Word doc, you paste it there. Now this is scattered. I don't really like this, so I'm going to undo. So make sure you don't paste it in your Word doc first. Open your notepad to take away the hyperlinks or whatever that comes with it. So you have this, then you copy it back, then you go back to your Word doc now and you paste. You can see it is well arranged now. So you have your table of contents. You can do your cover design as the case may be, but maybe you have a research you are working on and these two can actually help you to do a lot. So the next thing is introduction to video editing. So if I want to write what this topic will be, I'll just go back to that one and say write an introduction to video editing. Write an introduction to video editing. So like I said, you can click on submit here or click Control Enter on your keyboard. So video editing is the process of manipulating and rearranging footage to create a. So if I don't like this, I can actually tell these two to regenerate. So you can actually regenerate here. Regenerate. I don't like this, so I want it to give me another introduction. So video editing is the process of money. So I copy this. Remember what I said. You take it first to your notepad to remove the hyperlinks, and you now take it to here. That means you've written the introduction to video. So you can start again. Basic concept of video editing. You go back to the tool. It helps you to write. So a lot of things like this. These and many more you can actually do. So I want you to take advantage of these two in 2023. It's a new tool, and a lot of people are jumping on it. Why it lasts? Because to be honest, AI has come to stay, but pending whatever may come up in the future or in the new year about these two. But for now, you can actually write a lot of things. A lot of things. Maybe you want to write or write about migraine. Migraine. So control enter. So you wait for the tool to load up. A migraine is a type of, so you can see a lot. Now it stops here, but if you still want more, you still click on control enter. So control enter, you are saying, oh, give me more information, and you have it. So a lot is coming. So this is it. So another thing is maybe you yourself you have something you want to, okay, but with the right treatment and lifestyle change, they can be kept under. You can start something, keeping migraine under control, because that's the last one. So you have typed it, so you can tell the tool to continue from it. Click on control enter again. It continues from where you stop. So keeping migraine under control. So this model procedure so you can actually um it's the internet, so submit. Keeping migraine under migraines can be a difficult condition to manage, but there are a few things you can do to keep them. So it gives you a lot of things. So if you have from this I've showed you, you can see that there's a whole lot of possibility, a whole lot of possibility you can utilize this tool for. So I want you to make this tool. I want you to go into it, but remember when you copy, first of all, put in your notepad before you take it to the Microsoft Word. Wow. So this tool is actually developed by Elon Musk company. So it's a very good one. So I'm showing you these guys for some of you that have not heard about this tool. So enjoy. I wish you happy 2023. See you in my next video.